Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change gesture sensitivity for your Edifier NeoDots. You have to start by open Edifier Connect application, and if you add your earbuds to the app you will see the same menu. You need to go to the settings at the right top, and right here at the third line we have sensitivity, so tap at this line, and now by default it's a middle one at level 7, and you need to increase it by moving this slider to the right, or lower sensitivity by move the slider to the left. So I guess this is a good one for me, and that's it. Now you can go back. We did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!